Can you see a boy here? Can you tell me how is he feeling?
Sad.
Okay. His name is Mr. One. He is Mr. One. Okay. And he is feeling sad and lonely. But why is he feeling sad and lonely?
Because he
Because
doesn't have friends.
exactly, he doesn't have any friend to play with or to chit chat with or to dance with or to sing with. Now, what will happen next? We will see. Now, there comes a girl and her name is Miss Two. She is Miss Two. Okay. Her name is Two. He is Mr. One and her name is Miss Two. Now, when Miss Two joined Mr. One, then they are playing and enjoying together. Can you see them enjoying and playing? So when Mr. One was alone, he was feeling sad and he was feeling odd because he doesn't have anybody to play with. Now when Miss Two came here and joined him, so they both are enjoying very much. Now we will see what happened next. Now here comes one more girl. Her name is Miss Three. Kiara, tell me how she is feeling.
Sad.
Exactly. Why she is sad now?
Because she doesn't have any friends.
Exactly. Mr. One and Miss Two are playing together, but Miss Three is lonely. So now she is feeling odd that she doesn't have anyone to play with. So can you guess what will happen next?
She'll go join Mr. One and Miss Two.
No, they are already playing in a pair. They don't want anyone else to make a pair with. They both are enjoying themselves. They don't want any third person to come in their group. They made a group of two. Now we will see what happened next.
She'll go to another friend.
Exactly. Now here comes Miss Four. So now 3 and 4 will make a pair and they will chit chat and play with each other. Okay. Now we will see what happened next. Now these are Mr. 1 and Miss 2. They are playing together. Okay. And similarly, 3 and 4 are playing together. So they don't need anybody else. They make a pair and 3 and 4 make a pair. Okay. When there is only one person, he feels lonely, sad, and odd. But when they make a pair, they start enjoying. Now, what will happen next? We will see. Now comes one more boy. And his name is, can you guess his name?
Yeah. Mr. 5.
Very good. And how Mr. 5 is feeling?
Odd.
Exactly. He is feeling odd. Why is he feeling odd?
Because he doesn't have a pair.
Now, what we will do next? Can anybody
find another friend?
Exactly. So here comes Mr.
6.
Exactly. So 5 and 6 will make a pair. And now they are no more feeling odd because they also have a partner to play with. Right? Now what will happen next? We will see. There is a girl. Again, she is feeling...
7.
Exactly, Miss 7. She is feeling sad, lonely, and odd. So we need one more person to join her so that she will also make a pair and don't feel odd, right? we will see what will happen next. Okay, so here comes Mr. Can you guess his name? Yeah, very good. So now, is Miss Seven is feeling odd or not?
Not.
Why so?
Because she has a pair now.
Okay, so now she is no more feeling odd. Similarly, there is one more girl. Again, she is feeling sad, lonely. In fact, she is about to cry. Can you see that? Can you see her tears? She is just about to.
Miss Nine?
Exactly, Miss Nine is crying. And she also wants a partner. So now, here comes, can you guess her name?
Miss 10.
Exactly, Miss 10 has arrived and 9 and 10 will make a pair and 9 will no more feel odd. Right? So have you observed anything in this story?